Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem for 10th class. The question is, find the coordinates of centroid of the vertices of the triangle tan 45 cot 90, sin 0 tan 45, sin 0 cos 90. So, convert these are given in the trigonometric ratios, terms of trigonometric ratios. So, let us change the to normal integers or real numbers. Okay. So, first one is tan 45 cot 90 degrees. What you will get the values, tan 45 is 1, cot 90 is 0. This I am taking as, if you take the triangle in this way, A, B, C. This is 1 comma 0. So I am taking it for C. Next what? Sin 0, tan 45 degree. Sin 0 is 0, tan 45 is 1. This will be 1 comma 0. Sorry, 0 comma 1. That means A. Next, sin 0 cos 90 degree. This I'll take it as B, which is 0 comma 0. This is B. Okay. Next, what is the main point in this? What we have to find? Centroid. Before knowing about centroid, we have to know one more thing, that is median. The line joining vertex, one vertex to the midpoint of opposite side is called median. Okay. Next, coming to the word given in the question, that is centroid. What is centroid? The midpoint or point of, sorry, it's not midpoint, point of intersection of the three medians is called centroid. Okay. If we try, you can understand it easily. So from A to midpoint of BC. Yes. Next, from B to midpoint of AC. This is E. From C to midpoint of AB. Like this. This is F. Okay. From this, what you can say, if any two equations, means any two median equations we got, we can find the point of intersection easily. So how to find? First we have to know the midpoint coordinates of the midpoints, right? At least two midpoints we have to know the coordinates, so that we can find the equation of them, and then point of intersection. Okay. So for that, what we have to do, D is the midpoint of BC, right? Midpoint of BC equals to D, which is equals to BC. So BC is, B is 0 comma 0, C is 1 comma 0. No, x1 plus x2 by 2. Midpoint formula what? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula for finding the midpoints when two coordinates are given. So x1 x2 0 plus 1 by 2, x y1 y2 0 plus 0 by 2, which is equals to 1 by 2 comma 0. So this we got 1 by 2 comma 0. Now I will find E, that is midpoint of AC, which is equals to E, which is given by A is 0 comma 1 and C is 1 comma 0. No, so x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, which is equals to half comma half, right? So we got the midpoints also. Now what we have to find? The equation for AD. Equation for AD. Equation for the median AD. Okay. What is the formula? Y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 equals to x minus x1 into y2 minus y1. Okay. So A is what? 0 comma 1, and what is D? 1 by 2 comma 0. Now use this formula to find the equation. Y minus y1 is 1 into x2 is half minus 0 is x1, which is equals to x minus x1 is 0 into y2 is 0, y1 is 1. So what we'll get? Y minus 1 into 1 by 2 equal to x into minus 1, which implies y minus 1 equals to 2 into minus x, which implies this comes the other side, it becomes positive. So 2x plus y is equals to plus 1. Okay, this is equation 1. Okay, so one more line equation we want so that we can find the point of intersection of two lines. So next line is from B to E, that is BE. Equation for the median BE. Okay, so B 0 comma 0, E 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, right? So using the formula, y minus y1 is 0 into x2 minus x1 means 1 by 2 minus 0, which is equals to x minus x1 is 0 into y2 minus y1 means half minus 0. So what you will get? Y into 1 by 2 equal to x into 1 by 2. These two get cancelled. What left? Y equals to x, which implies x minus y equals to 0. This is equation 2. Now solve equations 1 and 2. What you will get? 2x plus y equal to 1, x minus y equal to 0. If you add them, plus y minus y get cancelled. 2 plus 1, 3. 3x equals to 1 plus 0, 1. So what you will get? X equals to 1 by 3. Right? And one more, substituting x value. Substitute x value in any one equation. What are the equations we got? X minus y equal to 0 are 2x plus y equal to 1. No? So 2 into what is the x value? 1 by 3. 2x plus y equal to 1. No? Plus y is equals to 1. So 2 by 3 plus y equals to 1. Y equals to 1 minus 2 by 3, which is equals to 3 minus 2 by 3 equals to 1 by 3. Or here in the second equation we have x equals to y, right? So therefore x comma y centroid is 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Understood how to do? If you have any doubts, specify it in the comment section.